have a look at that. Okay, so there's the problem there. We had too much up in the elevator, so that's easily rectified. We'll try again. Take 2. So it looks like our rudders are a tad bent there from too many unprofessional landings, as I like to call them. That's nice. Just that dig in sort of stop so you don't go too far and have to walk. So yeah, that's our mighty Tundra again. Back in the swing of things. That motor's going alright. Take that off. How much we got left in there? We'll disconnect that battery. How much we got left in the old battery? 3.7. Yeah, 3.7. So that's alright. Happy with that. So what we've done with that is we've foamafilled that back in place. So what I did is I got the original cowling, screwed it onto the original 4 points there, so the cowling had that centered right, and I put the original motor, which is burnt out, back in it. Then I made up a T bush that fitted over the motor spindle and self-aligned in the center of the hole in the cowling. So the cowling's bolted into here, and then the motor's central. And then what I did is I just went through and I foamafilled up everywhere around it. So you can even probably see in there all the foamafill, and put it all back together. Even foamafilled this was broken all through here, and it's actually that strong now. I think I should make a plane out of foamafill. So that's that guy. So pretty happy with the purple Tundra being back on board. So what I'll do is I've got another cowling I've 3D printed, so I'll modify that. Actually, I'll make one out of purple and put that on there, and she'll look as good as new.